This tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fill in your habit and mood tracker. Right here, this page. The first thing we want to do is read the instructions on the top of each page that I have left you. Then we want to either handwrite our week, or we can use the text box as well. Let's see, so we are week 26. If we are using Sunday start. Ooh, July 26. There you go. So then we can either use text or handwriting it in these boxes right here. So let's handwrite it for a change. I like to zoom in and let's put drink 96 plus ounces. So let's say I did drink my 96 ounces of water starting that Sunday. If it's a Sunday start or a Monday, you choose. I like to grab the highlighter and it's already on the highest size. In order for you to change the size, you can simply click it and then move it around. I like to have that one because I can simply just tap it once up or not. There you go. You just simply tap it and you tap it right in the middle so that it fills it all in. Or you can just take the small one and then go around it. That's it. For the mood tracker, it would be the same thing. You would grab the date. What I like to do is you grab the lasso tool and then you copy and paste it. That way you don't have to write it twice. And then on the bottom, we are going to either pick a color, pick an emoji, whatever you want to pick to identify your mood. I like to use colors. So let's see, let's say that pink. Blue. And then orange-ish. Let's do those. And then let's say that I had an excellent day. This was a great day. And this was a meh day. So then I can either write the letters in here. I can write a little bit more. I can even add text and say maybe half the day was excellent, half the day was meh. Whatever you really want to do, it's up to your creativity and your choice. So let's see, let's say that Sunday right here. It was great. And then we fill it in. And so on and so on. And that's it.